this is your order. 12 pieces polishing machine for normal teeth zipper. So our QLQ number is QLQ-F12 piece. This machine function is to polishing the surface of the normal zipper. The output is about 1,200 meters per hour. So now let's see the working situation. The zipper is coming inside from here. Okay, this is the first time placing, and this part is for polishing the side of the teeth. Okay, for grinding. And here is for second time placing. So the zipper is coming inside machine. Now let's open the window to show you the situation inside this machine. Look at they have a 12 pieces polishing wheel with 3 kind of size. They have a 4 pieces polishing wheel is 0.20 mm, and 4 pieces wheel is 0.15 mm. I mean 0.15. And the another 4 pieces wheel. This 4 pieces wheel is 0.12 mm. This different size can polishing the zipper more smooth from the lap polishing to the lip polishing. And then the zipper come out from here. Okay, now let's see the result after polishing and before polishing. So we can see the result. Okay, so let's see from here. And this is because I think this is the white color, so you cannot see the result very clearly, but still can see. This one is polished more shining, more smooth, and this one before polishing is more luster, not smooth. Also, we can show you this one. We can see the difference. Look at this is after polishing. See, we can see from here. Okay, so this is before polishing and this one after polishing. See, it's very different. Okay.